won't be a video this week. Yesterday I wound up having to repair the mower instead of work on my Range Rover. The plan was just to cut the grass early and then jump in there and start doing some more work on the Range Rover. But the spindle had other ideas about that. That's an interesting one. I guess that race just wanted a hug. Anyway, so yeah, so trying to take the spindle off, and yep, all 4 bolts busted off. That was awesome. And a heck of a set of tools. And PB Blaster failed this time. Did not get into the cracks at all. So what broke was the spindle on the mower, and that's where the drive pulley goes, and this drives my belts, or not belts, this drives my blades. So I got finally found the bearing. Went to John Deere actually, because they had a cross reference for this bearing. Turns out the John Deere guy told me this is the most common bearing in the world apparently. So that was good. So there's like 400 different part numbers for it, which I don't understand, but okay, cool, whatever. Anyway, so I got the bearing, I got it tapped in, and then I attempted to remove the bolts from the bottom, from the spindle, and drilled and drilled and broke a drill bit, and drilled and drilled and drilled and drilled, and then mother pus bucket. Catastrophic failure of a cast aluminum part. Ka-ching! So I ordered new ones. So they're going to come in tomorrow, which is unfortunate because I work tomorrow. And the day after that, I'm going to travel to the Choctaw Casino to see an old Marine buddy of mine who's coming up to throw some retirement money away, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, it's going to be super awesome to see him. I think the last time we talked or even saw each other was 1988. So I found him online. I sent him some literally handwritten letters, and we've got back in touch, and I've got an email address now, and so we send each other occasional letters. It's really great to catch up with some guys from the old days, and he was a really good friend of mine at the time, and someone I looked forward to seeing when we drilled. So yeah, so I'm gonna go see him for a couple of days this week, and then my grandsons come back into town. So next weekend is probably not gonna be a good weekend either, but we'll do something, I hope, but we'll see. I have to play that one by ear. I don't know what my time looks like next week. So the rest of the video today will probably just be cleaning the shop. A little out of sorts. I've got too many projects going on. This is the plethora of tools it took to get the spindle work done. But I've got, when I have this many drawers open on the toolbox, some shit's gone down. That's how you gotta go. Anyway, I was prepared to drill and tap. I had all kinds of going on, but today looks like it's just gonna be a cleanup day. Try to just get some projects closed. I had multiple projects open on this bench too, so yeah, that's where we're at. I appreciate you tuning in. It's gonna be a short. I'll get this uploaded. It'll be in the next I'll get this uploaded, and it'll be the next subscription. So appreciate you tuning in and checking everything out. Haven't forgotten about her. She really does need some more work though, and we'll get that done. Have a good weekend. Bye. All right, where'd you put the phone?